Welcome back, adventurers. Today is the day we anger the timekeepers. We're going all the way back to the beginning of July. My wife had just picked me up some exploration books, and given I haven't really explored much above I-70, figured I'd give a go at trying to connect some dots. I had planned to stick to Area 3, and then use something like Trex, a local Colorado app here, to connect the roads together. I figured between these two resources, should be able to put together a pretty solid ride. The main points of interest here were going to be Rollins Pass East, Jenny Creek, Kingston Peak, and Yankee Hill Road. Now, if you've stuck around this long, you know that, well, we enjoy a good challenge where the success rate is, 80%, give or take 15%. Now, those 4 points of interest were the planned route. Turns out, the Yankee Hill route makes up this thing called Pisgah Lake Road, and I'm not really sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but let's just say this, it had a lot of spice in it. So we'll just tootle along here until we get to the point where we're like, yeah, okay, let's turn around and find a different route.
Yeah, that would be tough in a Jeep. This looks interesting. That was a good little warm-up.
So Steve, just to confirm, made sure, you sure we're supposed to be taking a left?
Yep. I haven't heard you holler, so I'm taking your line.
Turns out it was too early in the damn morning to be dealing with this type of stuff, so a new plan was hatched.
Alright, I think I've got a way. If we go up here to NF 709, or it's called Hamlin Gultch. Okay. That's our turn, and we're going to take a right on that. Alright, we'll try that one. Okay. Haha, that's amazing. So we may be getting ourselves into a pickle here, we don't know it yet. It's straight, yep. Oh, that'd be a nice scamp spot though. Whoa! I did. Looking slightly sketchier. This is 273, 1B. This is one. Yeah, it looks like it goes the same way. We take the high road. Boing, boing. Oh yeah. If it opens, might get a picture. I need to find out what's rattling in my bike here. Picked up something somewhere. Get out of it. Yeah, I was about to say, it looks like we're no longer on a road. So, back there, we were supposed to take the low road apparently. Oh boy, did I get us in a pickle here. I got an idea. Black bear, this is black bear practice. Except for the part where we got to almost crash into his vehicle.
Now out here in the backcountry we have to share the roads. And that means if you're in a big SUV and you're coming up to an obstacle which you're unsure of, Please don't park in the middle of the road. Park off to the side and then get out of your vehicle to inspect it should you need to.
Now he's moving out the way. Thanks. And then said, you guys can go around. Fucking girl. Yeah. Grow a fucking pair of eyes, dude. I do like this road though. Yeah, fun challenging. Okay. You know,
On the way to the next main feature, which is Kingston Peak, we ended up on Hamlin Gultch Road.
Yeah.
Came across something that required a little bit more investigation.
Oh yeah. It's not bad. So like there's a trail right there. If you just hit this right line, it looks a-okay. Oh, you got this. Bam. Hang on, I don't know. We do need to take a left. Yeah, and then we'll take a left at Fall River is the next road we'll get to. Miles an hour. Shit. That's pretty cool.
Anybody else need any further evidence on my directional skills?
That's how we came up, right? Okay.
Well, we finally found our ascension to Kingston's Peak. At some point I'm going to realize that things I see on YouTube look a lot different in real life. But I can assure you, in real life this is twice as fun as what I'm making it sound like it is.
Yeah. Okay. Apparently here's the picture. But yeah. Oh, it opens 15. It opens like freaking like in 4 days. Mother.
Take that 2 months later. Join us next time when we finally make it to Rollins Pass. Anybody have an over-under for how many snowbanks we get through?
We can try.
Thanks for watching.